Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about stopping or disabling mobile notifications on the Spotify app, or if you want to change notification settings like email, push, recommended music, and so forth. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Spotify and select your user icon up at the top left, and then select settings and privacy, and then select the notifications tile in here. And you can select any of the items you want to disable notifications for, just select it. And then you would toggle push and email off for that respective notification. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.